Hey guys, we're back with another YouTube video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys mine and my brother's fidget spinners. So, come on here real quick, and we get into the fidget spinner spot. So, right here, we have, let me separate them real quick. My brother has more of the looks, and I have more of the speed. Some of mine are looks, some of them are hard. So these are mine. First up, we got the American flag. We got golden. We got skull right here. And over here, you know, my brother's. He has American flag. He has like a emoji one kind of thing. And he has this skull one, just like me too. Yeah, boys. So this is like a fidget spinner video, kinda. And I'm gonna see which one spins the longest out of both of ours. So I'm gonna pause this and unpause it as I'm getting them all spinned. Okay, guys. So I got my brother's 3 and my 3, which this one's already slowing down. Both of the skull ones are. Seems to be his is faster, so we're gonna spin these two one more time. There's the flag one's slowing down. So is that one. I'm gonna eliminate all the ones that are stopped spinning. Just these two back. Back. I gotta pause this real quick. I don't know which one's gonna win, guys. Zoom into this. She's going quick. And to be slowing down, boys. Ooh. I don't know, the American flag one is pretty fast. I don't know which one's gonna win. Look at this boy. Looks like that one's slowing down more than that one. Ooh, I think I figured out the winner. Probably gonna be mine. These are my 3 guys. Remember, those 2 eliminated. 2 eliminated. This one's about to be eliminated because it's slowing down. Mine's still going. Ooh, we have a winner. I think we have a winner, boys. And it's gonna stop. Mine's still going. It's still going. This one. Well, we have a winner, guys. This one's the winner. Faster than all of them. All of them, guys. Well, like and subscribe down below. Like I said, I'll be giving away fidget spinners, boys. Have a good day.